Welcome back today, guys, to the channel. Back here for another vlog in the car. A little bit different today because we got something. I upgraded big time. Osmo Pocket 3. This thing is amazing. There's so many good things to say about it. The case that it came with, the protector. I ended up getting the creator package with it. Basically, everything was sold out. This is like one of the hardest cameras to buy at the moment. I wanted to recap from yesterday, last night, at Drift Jam. Super fun. If you guys didn't see any of the posts that I put up yet, make sure you guys go ahead and do so. And of course, just a huge shout out to Jover, Devo, TMP, Cayuga, Drift Jam, everybody that was out there. Had a great time. Lots of great people out there. And of course, the car came back in a couple pieces. The only piece that I actually brought back that ended up coming off of the car while I was there. We'll get out here. So the car, super dirty once again. There's dirt everywhere. Now, this is where the bumper actually ended up blowing off. So I put the screw back into it that was there, but I tried cleaning it up a bit, but you can see like the scuff marks right here is pretty decent. The sun actually brings it out nicely too. Great, right? But this is where most of it right here, like this is not ideal, but it happens. I mean, I was gonna hit the wall anyways. I was trying to get to the wall, but obviously not the right side, and I would have rathered it be damaged from the wall or a tandem run, not just blowing out the tire. And it blew like all the way out here. It grabbed a bit of this on the wrap. So definitely a little bit of scoring on the wrap, which sucks, right? Justin, Menace rides help. I seen it in the replay. I was going through my footage and I seen it when it blew, and I can actually see part of the tire, just a tiny bit of it pulling out. But that's really about it though. Bumper's kind of, right, it's not flush. You can see like right here, there's a decent gap now, which definitely sucks. But other than that, it's just dirt. Like that's all that basically from the day. The dirt, yeah. Gets so dirty out there, you don't even realize it. But this camera, though, I will be honest, this camera really is something else. So it's crazy because you feel like you're not even recording anything. The fact that I can kind of hold it down low without anybody really seeing what I'm doing and still recording. So this is probably one of my best purchases in a long time. I love this thing. Look at it. And then we can also flip it right over to me. We'll flip it back. And then there we go. Face tracking enabled, and we're good. So yeah, this is super cool. We're back for another day. Car is running still once again, thankfully. And I'm excited. I'm excited for the next event. Was getting comfortable with the car, was throwing it a little bit, having some fun in second gear. Didn't do too many third gear entries. That was just because there was a lot of people on the track yesterday, just constantly moving. Didn't really have enough speed for third gear when I was with people. But for the most part though, I just felt comfortable in the car. I was really starting to just kind of toss it with the weight. I was also doing a bit of manjis on the back straights as well too, which I was very happy about because that was my first time really having the confidence to throw the car. I don't know if I should be I'm excited to post my runs. I wanted to just do this today, go through a little bit, and just talk about the day basically. But not too much damage to the rear bumper, thankfully. Not as bad as Josh. He was out there with me yesterday too, and his S13 rear bumper, not good. Damn spider. Not really much to do on the car after the event other than I might get an oil change finally. It's been a couple events since I did one. Just go over everything, tighten up a few things as well too. And I'd like to get the rear aligned. If you guys didn't see the photos that I was posting, the rear tires, I don't understand what's so bad with the rear end, but it is not burning correctly. The left side is burning way more than the right side is. Right, that outside shell of the tire exploded, so you can't really see the exact tire wear. but it was still burning more on the left than it was on the right. So it's very interesting on what was going on with that. For the most part though, very happy with the way the car felt. But I feel like though I could have more grip, right? Because the left side's burning less than the right. But I was glad that I at least blew the tire. And you know, thinking back on it, I didn't want the wrap to get wrecked. Obviously that wasn't my goal. But when I was doing it, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna blow the tire because I feel like, you know, I have so much more on the right side. I wanna see what happens when the tire actually does explode, because I've never actually had that happen before in the car. And turns out probably not the best idea, but you live and learn, drift, brake, fix, repeat, have fun, right? That's the biggest thing. I had fun at the end of the day. But this camera though, it's so crazy though, how easy this thing is. Like, you just turn it around and boom, we're looking anywhere. It's so simple. The rollers though, I'm excited for some rollers. I actually, I bought the suction cup that's been going around for this camera, right? There's a big suction cup that goes on the back of the car. You can get rollers for it. That was the main reason why I bought this camera, which I'm gonna be doing. I do wanna get some rollers, but yesterday I was just driving. I just got this thing this week. So it's a little bit of a new kind of thing for me, just trying to learn everything basically. Hopefully the mic audio is good too. It came with its own little mic, which is actually pretty good from what I've seen. So I'm excited to look back on everything. I mounted the cameras facing the roof. So it was like a Setta Corsa top-down roof cam, and then I also mounted them on the back bumper as well too. So great angles yesterday, great driving. Okay, hopefully it's not too loud. So sorry everybody that's out here, so sorry. Ain't no way I can drive and record like this. It's just gonna follow me as I'm driving? Let's try it. Hopefully it's not gonna fall, but. Get a button here, yeah, thank you. Oh, it is. Just a nice cruise today, enjoying the drive. Watch, officer just comes right over the hill on me. Yeah, car's feeling good right now, liking it. Woo. How sick is it? I love this camera, man. Oh my God. Is this a bump? This is a bump, isn't it? Oh, no. We're okay.